My dear brothers and sisters, as we are about to end the liturgical year, the Church invites us to look honestly at a question many people avoid. What is the end of our life here on earth? I remember passing by an old cemetery here in Vietnam with a sign that said, "Everything ends here." But as Christians, we know that is not true. Something ends, but something greater begins. Jesus tells us, "I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me will live." Our life on earth is important, but it is temporary. We are created for God. We are created for heaven. So I invite you today, ask yourself, what direction is your life taking? Are your choices leading you closer to God? Do not fear death. For those who believe, death is not a wall, but it is a door. It is not darkness. It is the moment when God welcomes us home. And so may we live each day with our hearts set on heaven. Amen.